Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my socials. And if you're new to my channel, on my channel, I talk a lot about positivity, motivation, as well as different ways to make money online as well as in person. So don't forget to hit that little bell icon to be alerted whenever I post new content, and also subscribe. So today's video is going to be focused on a little bit of a fail, if you would call it, as far as reselling. I bought a bunch of Cat and Jack and Target brand kids shoes to resell, and although I got a really good deal on them, most of them I paid between $2 and $3.50 each, and I have already made my money back and then some. So yes, although it did break down to that per item, I've already made my money back. So now that I have so many left, I'm just ready to get rid of them. I want to get rid of them. It's not a huge money maker for me. When I'm only making $5 to $10, per boot, and that doesn't even include, the fees of what I paid for them, my time for them, listing them and shipping them, I'm over it. I just want to focus on listing items online that are higher dollar and selling items like that locally. But in order to do that, I have to clear out inventory. So how am I doing this? I made a Facebook post and I posted these pictures, and I basically said, like this, and you will be alerted whenever I post into the thread, which is the thread is down below in the comment section. I'll be posting the boots, what sizes I have, and how much they are. I basically said they were going to be $5, and in 7 days they were going to be $1 because I am just ready to let them go. So I've had a lot of interest, so now all I've got to do is get out there, get pictures of them, how many of each I have, and try and get them sold very quickly because I'm just tired of looking at them. I thought about having a garage sale, but honestly, garage sales are a ton of work and I really don't want to get other stuff ready for it. And I don't really have a whole lot of stuff for a garage sale anymore because I have really been trying to pick items for higher dollars for my online. So I'm not really picking up items that are lower end unless it's picking up items that I get for cheap enough that I can go flip at Plato's and Style Encore. I do have some videos where I show you how I buy items and then I go flip it on the spot pretty quickly. So be sure you go check out my other YouTube videos showing you what I pick up to sell on the spot at Plato's and Style Encore. But let me show you just real quick what the boots are outside, and I can kind of give you a walkthrough of why I'm just over it. Okay, here they are right now. But yeah, they're just Cat and Jack and Target brand, so they're not real leather, they're not real suede, but I'm going to probably get, $5 a pair. And then again, I'm okay with getting $1 a pair considering I've already made my money back. So they're all sitting out, gotta get pictures and gotta get them listed. So now all I have to do is get pictures of each of the boots and the shoes, and thankfully there's multiples of each, so it's going to be really easy to just snap one picture, put the multiples underneath, and let people have at it. So this is just a quick way to unload inventory because I purchased way too much, and this is not something that, again, I want to wait around on because it's only going to be about $5 makers, and that's not enough to be listing online and taking my time to do as an individual. Now, maybe if I had 5 employees, that might be worth it, but I don't. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you hit that little bell icon to be alerted when I put out new content, and be sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.